Hi guys, Sigma Random here at YouTube.com. Like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for notifications. Make sure you click on that bell and click on all. That way you know when it's post a video each and every time. Or click down the bottom right hand corner of your screen there. Click on my face, bring our video that way. It's nice out here today, here in Michigan. You can see you got a clear blue sky pretty much. I don't see any clouds in the sky at all. It's supposed to be 65 on Tuesday here, I believe, somewhere around there. So spring's coming, but pretty sure there's going to be another snowstorm coming. You never know. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm just coming back here into the back side over here, this field type thing here. So this is going to be a Christmas tree farm. So basically, a Christmas tree farm, you can plant between 1,000 to 1,500 trees per acre. So that's quite a bit if you think about that. So you got 40 acres, you got, you can get 40,000 or something like that. And it can be a very lucrative business also. So you can zoom out there a little bit maybe. Take some pictures. It's a little bit brisk out here. It's probably about 40 degrees right now. Maybe a little bit. Well, with the wind and stuff, it is a little bit lighter. But yeah, this is all this here. I don't know if it's just this part, but eventually all this is going to turn into a Christmas tree farm. And the person that owns this, they have other Christmas tree farms too, and they do pretty good. They take trees to Home Depot, Lowe's, and other places, and even like 7-Elevens and stuff like that, or they'll set up a place. And you can see the moon up there is already up there. Already out. See, that's pretty cool. That's all the farther I can zoom in, guys. Sorry if it's a little shaky here. Apologize. There you go. I just think there's supposed to be a lunar eclipse pretty soon. Not sure when, sometime in March. Don't know when, but it looks like there's a deer stand way out there. There it is. So it's gonna be some, like I said, there's gonna be quite a bit of trees out here eventually when they get it going. So it's gonna be pretty neat. You guys want to see some old farm equipment? I'll show you over here. It's pretty cool. Old plow equipment and stuff like that. I used to till stuff. And I'm not sure quite exactly what each one of these do because I'm not a farm expert. I think that might be a baler, maybe. I'm not for sure. Not exactly sure. Please forgive me. And we got this back here. A primal. I'll go over here. See, well, this I know goes through the soil. Can't talk straight. So a little harvest plow type thing. As you can see, it's kind of mushy back here a little bit. They have come back here. See the water flowing. Kind of see the water flowing a certain way down there, towards that way. Like I said, there's the moon way up there. Oh, if we can get it up there, let's see. There it goes. There it is. Gotta get to it real quick. Well, that's pretty cool. Some trees, let me zoom back out here. And I think there's a nest one. Yeah, there's a nest right here on those trees over there. We do have some owls back here. There was an owl back here somewhere, I believe. But yeah, basically it's just a lot of land here for Christmas. It's gonna be a Christmas tree farm. So I said between 1,500 to, or excuse me, 1,000 to 1,500 per acre. You can get trees on an acre basically. So depending on the type of tree, of course, you want some native trees too, you know, to plant on there. And depending on how good the soil is and stuff, and how far apart you can space them. But I thought I'd just say hi to you guys, see how you're doing. See what's going on out there in the world. And I have those people on the East Coast there, North the Carolinas, with the wildfires going on. Sorry that you guys are going through that. Hope you guys are all doing okay and staying safe. There's an old plow disc right here. There's some old farm. This is pretty old right here, as you guys can see. Now my brother-in-law, Wade Arston, he probably know more about this than I would actually. Way more. way more. You can see there's an old Ford. You see it says Ford on there. I'm guessing this is a plow of some type or whatever that goes through the field. Not sure exactly what it does or cuts it up. But this is a Ford. Not sure what year this is from. I don't know if there's a year on here or not. But I'm gonna get my shot out of the way there. See, it says Ford. And right there says Ford. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. An old till type thing here, you know, that goes through the soil over here basically is what that would do. I'm not sure what brand this is or whatever, but don't want to touch it because I don't want to cut my hand on it or anything like that. Obviously this is what hooks to the hydraulic type thing, whatever, or piston, I guess you'd call it. I thought it'd be cool to see some more farm equipment. Of course, there's a tree here. Looks like they're getting some buds on there. Getting ready to bloom probably maybe June at the latest. June, July, I don't know, maybe later. And then there's some trees over there. The moon once again. I'll get it on there again one more time just because it's pretty cool looking, I think. Look at that, that's great. Well, look at this. Let's circumrandom.youtube.com. Like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for all notifications. Well, I'm going to go back inside. It's getting a little chilly out here now. I will be having some more videos coming up here eventually, once I get going here. Camping / nomad stuff, whatever. I think you'll like it. It's pretty neat. I already showed you one of my things. A little fire striker. I'll show again in another video to show you how you're supposed to use it. The proper way, of course. There's some old cinder blocks over here. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing good and ready for spring. Oh yeah, don't forget to turn your clocks forward if you live in the States or wherever you guys observe daylight savings time. You know, they say turn it spring forward to fall back, so spring forward 1 hour on Sunday AM, you know, at 2 AM, spring forward or whatever. I know some states don't observe it. I think like Arizona doesn't observe that at all. I can't remember why these states all observed it, but I don't even know why they still observe it, to be honest. I think it's just a waste of time, to be honest, but there's different ideas people think why it's good to have. So hard to say why. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the week. Let's see what else I can see over here. There's any more stuff over here. Yeah, look at this. An old goose type stone thing here. There's some bricks back here and stuff. I'm going to go on the background here. Let's see what kind of trouble I can get into. over here. See what else I see. Darn. Get my head bumped or anything. Ah, look, I see an old Hot Wheel back here. Yeah. See a hose. I see a cable. Yeah. There's an old Hot Wheel. I used to have something like that when I was younger. Get a little up maybe. Anyways, I was saying there's some pretty interesting stuff over here. Stuff's pretty different. And over here, like I said, there was a old Hot Wheel type thing. You guys remember the Hot Wheels? I used that one even when I was way younger. I'm 50 now, so but I believe my wife had one too. I'm going back over here to the other side. I want to take pictures of this old farm equipment stuff. I think it's pretty cool. Make sure I don't hurt myself any. Did you hear me whoosh back and back here? Oh, let's see if I can get through this here. Okay, I made it through there. That's good. Yeah, I just figured to make this video, something to do. Then again, more tires back there. I got the moon up there again. I'm just walking back here one more time. Just see what kind of, take pictures of these old farm equipment stuff. Like I said, I don't know much about this farm equipment. My brother-in-law Wade would. He would know way more than I would. Some bricks. Cinder blocks, I mean. Like I said, this is going to be a Christmas tree farm. And before I said it's going to be, you can plant between 1,000 to 1,500 trees per acre. So that's quite a bit. So it's a pretty good business from what I understand. I know these are markers for the of a property line, or they had something here before. They might have just had something here before. I don't remember. Once again, here's some old farm equipment. This one I believe was Ford. Yeah. A lot of wildlife, of course, comes back here. I'll come back through coyotes and stuff. You see coyotes and deer. Mostly, sometimes you'll see foxes once in a blue moon. Very rare. It'd be a red fox, basically, is what it'd be. That says Ford also. Let's see if you can see this. I don't know if you can see the It's hard to see the what year. The serial number is hard to see though, because it's so but that's pretty cool. I got more of this stuff over here. All these old farm equipment stuff here. I don't know if you guys can hear that owl in the back or not. Might not be able to. I'm gonna take a picture of this over here. There's more over there, but I don't know if I want to walk that way or not. Maybe I can. Be careful. There you go, Ferguson. I wish I could see a little serial number. It's hard to say what the serial number is, but oh, go a little muddy over here. Yeah, this is some pretty old farm stuff over here. And you got a bunch of old hubcaps over here. I think these hubcaps are different models and stuff. Not sure why. I'm not gonna touch them though, because I don't want to have to get tetanus shot. Pretty cool though. Pretty interesting. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. What I'm showing here and the pictures of. This is CircleMarRandom at YouTube.com. Like, subscribe, press that bell button for notifications. Like I said, I'll have another video come up here in the next few days, hopefully, when I get a chance to do it. So, it's just a video I thought it'd be nice to do for all of you. You guys have a great night. Enjoy the rest of the day. Be safe.